Back once again. You better not be going in there and pissing, you little cunt. Fucking hell. Random dog runs in and out of my shed. Sorry about the mess, everyone. This is work in progress. Have you got more bara brith? Oh, he's got bara brith. Hey! I don't know what you're doing over there, but you really can get the fuck away from my chickens, mate. And there's some leftover bread. That's bacon wrapper. You can't have bacon wrapper. He's probably hungry, hasn't had his dinner. I've got no dog food. I've got no dog food for you, bro. He's having more bara brith though. Oi! 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 Listen, mate, that's my motorbike in there. I do not want you fucking pissing against that. Piss against that, mate, and I'm going to chop your fucking leg off, and then I'm going to eat it. Come on, out of here. Come on. Here we go. Right, everyone's working outside today, mate, and that includes you. Oi! Ow! Oi! Oi! Come on, out we go.